Hi everyone and welcome to Amazon. I'm here today to talk about the Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipstick. It delivers a richly pigmented, high-impact color with complete coverage. It is non-drying, hydrates and nourishes your lips and feels like second skin. This lipstick glides like butter and instantly plumps your lips. It creates a soft, supple finish that blurs the appearance of lip line. Its lightweight texture allows easy application without smudging and is suitable for all skin tones. The creamy formulation blends evenly across your lips. Now let me show you its easy application process. Start at the center of your upper lip and glide towards the outer corner. Repeat the same on your bottom lip, fill as needed and you're good to go. It is available in multiple different shades such as Mauve blush, Bare blush, Attitude, Athena and more. You can also add a matching lip liner and some lip gloss to amp up this look. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and keep shopping on Amazon.
Introducing Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipstick in Mauve Blush. This creamy matte formula offers full coverage and comfortable wear. It glides on smoothly, hydrating your lips. Enjoy a non-drying second skin feel that lasts. Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipstick for bold, beautiful lips.